Fill the table line data in. Execute a macro called Draw Trays. The corresponding Revit Dynamo is executed. The table line data out is populated with the endpoint data of the created trays. Here are the created trays. Shift the trays to the left side. Trigger the macro once more. Here is the new set. Once again. Let us now outline the structure for the upcoming exercise. Draw a long run. Now we draw an array. Ungroup the array elements. Now we extend the elements to the main tray. Oops, lost sequence. Thanks for watching.